Hi guys, it's Rosetta here and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna play with two new colors, orange and green. This is such a beautiful combination. I am really loving this look. So let's quickly start the video. As usual, I will moisturize my face and then apply the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer. Next, I will use this Derma color for neutralizing. This time I really have a lot of dark spots and pigmentation, so I'm applying the neutralizer on the pigmented areas and the dark spots. I will nicely apply this neutralizer on the dark spots and pigmented areas, and once I'm done I will lock this with the loose powder. So basically I'm applying the powder only on the areas where I have neutralized. Next I'm moving to my favorite Wet n Wild foundation and applying it on my skin, and then I will blend it with the damp beauty blender. Blend it really well guys, because blending is the key to flawless makeup. Next I'm moving to the LA Girl Pro Concealer and applying it under my eyes, center of the forehead, chin, above my lips and the bridge of the nose. Also, I am applying above my jawline. And then blend it with the same beauty blender. If you like watching my videos, let me know in the comments section below, and if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing. Once I'm done with blending, I'm taking the Faces Canada Compact and applying it firstly on the areas where I have applied the concealer, and then I will move to the rest of the areas of my face. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm using the Kryolan eyebrow palette, and as usual I will brush my eyebrows downwards so that I am able to see the gaps, and I will use strokes in the direction of the hair growth and apply the eyebrow powder on my brows. Next I'll brush the eyebrows upwards and fill the gaps at the bottom of my eyebrows. Brush it once again to finish it. Next I'm using my favorite MAC paint pot in the shade Laying Low and cleaning the underneath of my eyebrows. Also I will apply it all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow that is kind of rust shade and applying it on my crease, and then taking a darker orange shade, I will apply it on the crease and take it above my crease. I will also apply the same shade all over my eyelids, and for a really good pigmentation I'm applying the eyeshadow the same color on my eyelids with the help of my finger. Next, I'm blending it with a blending brush. Now I'm taking a Stay Quirky eyeliner in the green shade, and first I will line my eyes. What you need to do basically is to follow your lash line, and then I'm pulling out the wing and dragging it slowly towards the inner corner of my eyes. Now I am thickening the eyeliner and fill any gaps if there is any. This is a beautiful green shade. I have spoken about this eyeliner in my makeup haul video. If you haven't watched it, I will share the link in the description box below, or you can also click the I button on the top. I have applied the orange shade at my lower lash line as well, and now I'm applying the Kajal, and taking the Inglot highlighter, I'm highlighting the brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. I will share the products used in the description box below. Next, I'm contouring my face starting from the top of my ears, dragging it towards the corner of my lips. Next, I'm using the Kryolan blush, and today I'm using a lighter blush and applying it on my cheeks. Moving on to my favorite palette, this is the lip palette. I'm using this chocolate color shade. This is a very light chocolate color shade which goes really well with this look. I'm first lining my lips and then applying the lip shade. Start with the borders and fill your lips. I have also applied a little bit of gloss, and using the same Inglot highlighter, I'm highlighting my face, the bridge of the nose, chin, cupid's bow, cheekbones, forehead, next I'm moving on to the mascara and applying thick coats of mascara on my top and lower lashes. And here is the final look. Let me know how you guys liked it. And if you liked the video, hit the like button and also let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.